Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change a Trello password. So the first thing that you'll need to do is simply go to trello.com and make sure that you are logged in into your account. If you're not, make sure to do so. Now, we want to change our password. How to do so? All you need to do is simply go to the top right corner accounts icon, click on it, and here you'll find the manage accounts option. Go and click on that, and as you can see, you'll find yourself here with a lot of things. So you'll need to do, or you'll need to go to the security tab. And here, as you can see, you'll be able to change your password. So we change your password, we keep your login on, and of course to this device, but may log you out from other devices. Keep that in mind. So if you're logged in multiple devices, you'll be logged out from other devices, but you'll be logged in here. Now, we want an example to change the password. You'll have to do two things. First of all, enter the current password as example. And of course, if you miss the current password, you'll not be able to change it. So make sure to enter the current password correctly. So example, I'm just going to miss the current password as example and create like here a random password and click on save changes. As you can see, they'll tell me that the current password you have provided is incorrect. So you'll have to keep it like or enter the real one. Example, let's say here I want to do this, click on save changes. And again, you will have to provide the correct one again. So maybe I'm missing it, but all you need to do just enter the right correct password and a new password, and then click on save changes, and that's how you basically change password. So that's gonna be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.